Hey, what's up guys? This is Adam with Highball Bartenders, and today we're going to be making the Watermelon Martini. So let's get to it. In our mixing glass, we're going to put 2 ounces of Watermelon Vodka. We're going to put an ounce of triple sec, a couple pieces of fresh watermelon, ounce of lime juice, half an ounce sour mix, 2 ounces watermelon juice, and an ounce of simple syrup. We're going to grab our muddler. We're going to add fresh ice and shake. We're going to chill a fresh martini glass. And we'll be double straining the mixture into our chilled martini glass. Finally, we're going to garnish with fresh watermelon. There you have it. Watermelon Martini.